First of all, please make sure the LiDAR you have is from YD LiDAR. Then, take out all the elements from the box. Please note the wheel-like pattern on the top of the LiDAR. Afterwards, connect the LiDAR to your computer. From official website, you could download the USB driver and also LiDAR viewer. LiDAR Viewer is a visual software developed by eTech. You could check the real-time performance of the LiDAR from this software. Tmini Pro could be widely used for robotics obstacle avoidance and mapping. For example, smart home appliance, delivery robots, educational robots, drones, etc. Thank you for watching.